Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back again with some research updates and scholarship position in the different part of the university in the whole world. If you really want to go for the PhD, research, master, graduation, undergraduation programs, so definitely watch this video up to ends, and you will get the information fully funded scholarship with IELTS, TOEFL exams. If you really want to go further, let's start our news updates in this research. Researchers from the Redbourne University discovered the bacteria that directly use nitrogen oxide for growth. Their growth, how can grow? How can this type of bacteria? They don't need other supplements like oxygens or any other. They only nitrogen dioxide and for their growth and their physiological management. In this research, they are finding that some bacteria, there's microorganisms, generally we are bacteria, microorganisms, nitrogen gas, produce nitrogen gas, which is completely harmless, and then break down nitrogen dioxide, which is harmful greenhouse gases. Generally, these microorganisms and these responsible for the pollution, global warmings. So the gases that is responsible for the greenhouse gases, harmful greenhouse gases. So you need to be secure from this bacteria. But nitrogen oxide produced by the car causing the acid rains. You know that nitrogen oxide by plants, nitrogen oxide by producing by the cars, yeah, and any other industrials, they cause the acid rains, green ground level of ozone formation, that is very toxic for the health. And these bacteria have potential to use in effort against the climate change, negating of these effects. So these bacteria are utilizing such type of nitrogenous oxide that produced by the cars, industries, which are responsible for formation of the causing different type of the acid rains, ground level ozone. So these bacteria, just like that, they can accumulate these type of toxic gases which are responsible for this nitrogen gases and utilize for their physiological process. So this is a very good and nice report and nice research by this Redbourne University. They are showing that these bacteria is good for the environmental research, environmental helpful for the health and other things. So researchers in this Brown University discovered the direct bacteria that can use directly grow in such type of environment where so much amount of the nitrogenous gases are present. Completely harmless, they can break down these gases into completely harmless gases. Generally nitrogen oxide is responsible for the greenhouse gases, harmful greenhouse gases. So these bacteria clean the environment by utilizing such type of oxygen. If you really want to go for the Max Planck Institute of Marine Biology, where this type of report was published, so from the source where I am getting certain information from theirs. So we need to understand which type of the research is going on in the world level and other part of the world. So you need to be understand and acknowledge what is going on there. Now we are coming in the another last section, what we are generally is scholarship section. I am here taking the scholarship from the Australian Institute of Science and Technology. All the major fields they are covering. You don't need any IEL, TOEFL or GRE exams if you really want covering scholarships fully funded, either master, MPhil, bachelor degree. It is if you go for the BS and bachelor science department, directly it is applicable for PhD programs. So you just need to search here, either you go for in this website and find the application process and go for their scholarship section after getting your offer letter from this university. So you can acquire the offer opportunity in this time, because most of the time is very critical. Nowadays is the pandemic days and so many things are going on. The economic crisis is the countries, different type of country like South Asian country, India like country where the economic condition is very bad. So the students who really want to go for higher educations with scholarship, because you need some scholarship, so this is the good options. You need to go for the sections and apply for the sections. Just need to be watch my video daily. I am giving some informations in the around the world scholarship section with science update. Thank you so much for giving and watching my video. Hope you like it. If you like, please subscribe, and if you think it is good for your friends, share with you. Thank you so much for watching.